when I'm ill at ease, I kill at ease to keep my love alive. Sir Charles came from the sanatorium and yelled for drinks in my emporium. I mixed one drink, is in memoriam, to keep my love alive. Sir Francis was a singing bird, a nightingale, that's why I tossed him off my balcony just to see if he could fly. Sir Athelstane indulged in fratricide. He killed his dad, and that was patricide. One night I stabbed him by my matricide to keep